Good morning, guys. How are you? Huh? You're always seeing me in my fancy clothes. Hey, I'm about to start painting this greenhouse, so wish me luck. Connor built it, and Connor is working today, so I'm gonna go ahead and I will do whatever I can reach because he's really tall and I'm not Connor, so I cannot climb on ladders. So, wish me luck, guys. Connor finished building the greenhouse during the week. The only thing that was missing was the door. Meantime, Connor built the door, I cleaned the windows, and started bringing the veggies in. We are growing okra, carrots, celery, radishes, cucumbers, serranos, habaneros, basil, peppermint, tomatoes, and strawberries. I am from Aguascalientes, Mexico, and I need color. The winter is super long here, and seeing our colorful greenhouse will make us smile. I picked purple, yellow, green, and blue. Purple is my favorite color, and Connor allowed me to paint it however I wanted. Do you like it? So far it looks good, huh? Can't reach the top though. Super short. I don't know, guys. Short people problems. So what do you think? Do you like it so far? Look at this. It's going to be purple and green up there. The door and some window accents are yellow, so that will pop.
Well, hello there, Mitzi.
Well, hello! How are you?
I'm good.
Awesome! Nice to see you.
I brought some bread for you.
Oh, sweet! My friend Kim came and gave me a little break from painting. She loved the greenhouse. She said that Connor built me a life-size dollhouse. Isn't that sweet? It took me a whole day to paint 2 walls and a half. I don't know how Connor can do this for 40 hours a week. I was exhausted by the end. Good morning, guys. Look, I advanced on the design and now I'm getting ready to paint. So I'm gonna start painting this side. I don't know if you can tell. I cannot see. Have you ever seen Tangled? Connor's favorite Disney movie? I got the idea of the birds from there. I don't know if you notice, but I love birds. Here we go. Look at this. It's beautiful. I like it at least. I did another row of birds and it looks awesome. I'm gonna do the fellow that is in the right corner and I'm gonna call it a day because today I have a senior session, so I got things to do inside the house. But hey guys, how are you, huh? Look, I wanted to show you the progress. it looks beautiful. Those two on the top are just fresh. And look, I made like a nest with the color bird's nest. I thought that was hilarious. And then look at this color. Oh my gosh. And then look. Yay! Yay! Awesome. What do you think? Do you like it?
Howdy y'all. I'm gonna build a raised bed shelf, I guess, for my beautiful biscuit so we can grow herbs and spices and whatnot, and you know, more space for growing things. So wish me luck.
Meantime, I was shooting my senior session. Connor built me a shelf. I love him. If you haven't seen my work of moose heart photography, then you should check the link that it is in the description. Hey guys, well, my sweet Connor built me this raised bed yesterday, so today I'm putting things on it. So wish us luck. So guys, look, I fixed the greenhouse just a tiny bit. We have over there a raised bed, and that barrel we are gonna paint it black, and we will fill it up with water, and that will help us keeping this place warm. And then look, these ones are new. And then I moved the tomatoes over there. The bags are not going to be here forever. The bags have the paint that I'm using for the outside. And then look at these. These are cauliflowers and peppermint. And there's a flower there, but shh, don't tell anybody, I haven't planted that one. And so, yeah, this is more or less our greenhouse. I mean, we are missing painting that barrel black and growing veggies. The most important thing. But everything looks fantastic. Look at the tomatoes, they look very happy. I'm about to water them. Everything looks amazing here, and we are really very excited about it. And it's a project that I have been dreaming of for many years, and so now it's a reality. So yay, keep dreaming. Keep dreaming and working for your dreams. Guys, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, leave a comment and a like. See you next week.